Wechsler was responsible for another important innovation in IQ testing. If you remember, the original formula for deriving IQ was mental age divided by chronological age times 100, which was useful in assessing children's test performance, but it was logically inconsistent when applied with adult test scores. As people grew older, the denominator, the chronological age, in the formula grew larger, while the numerator, the mental age, remained relatively constant. Thus, people seem to get less intelligence with age. Although this may support intuitive theories held by teenagers about their parents, it's not really true. Wechsler remedied this problem by abandoning the concept of mental age and calculating IQ as an individual's position relative to peers of the same age on a frequency distribution. If you remember previously, a frequency distribution describes the frequencies of various scores in a population. Like the distribution of people's height, people's weight, and many other human traits, the distribution of IQ takes on a normal distribution. So, remember the normal curve? This is why it's important. It makes a difference to the range of scores that are used to describe a particular score. For example, if you scored an IQ of 100, this would be an average score, in which 50% of people are below your score and 50% are above. If you scored 115, then you're above 84.1% of the population. If, however, you score an IQ of 130, this puts you in the top 2.3% of the population. And if you score above 145, then that's an IQ that's about 1 in 1,000. So you can see that your score on an IQ test shows you where you are relative to the rest of the population. And this is thanks to the normal curve. So in summary, intelligence measurement was developed in a historical context, and this influenced the debate about intelligence testing. Second, there are a range of standard common tests that are used, in particular the Wechsler range of tests, for example, the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale. Number three, it's also important to consider the background of the person who's being assessed.